Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Sheets if it's not loading or syncing. So if your Google Sheet is not loading or syncing, you can try to troubleshoot using these steps that I'm about to tell you through this video. The first one, you need to check your internet connection. So you have to ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. You can try to restart your router or switch to a different network if needed. For example, in here, I connected to this device, so I need to disconnect it first and then try to reconnect to another Wi-Fi if needed. And the second one, you can also try to restart your browser or app. So just close the browser and then you can reopen the Google Sheets again. And see if the problem is fixed. If you are using the mobile app, you can force close it and reopen it. And the third one, you can also try to clear the browser cache and cookies. So open your browser settings and navigate to the privacy and security. Here, click on this delete browsing data. Then try to clear the cache image and files. Click on delete data and you can just restart your browser after that. And the next one, you can also disable the browser extension because extension like ad blockers can interfere with the Google Sheets. You can disable the extension temporarily and check if the sheets loads. So to disable the extension, you can go to the settings again and then in here, find extension, this one, and tap on manage extensions. So you can just tap on remove first, and if needed you can add it again after the Google Sheets is fixed. And you can also check for the Google's service status. You can visit the Google Workspace status dashboard to see if there's an outage affecting Google Sheets. And next, you can also try to update your browser because you need to ensure that the browser is up to date to the latest version. Next, you can also switch to incognito mode because opening an incognito mode or private browsing window, you can try to bypass the browser extension and some cache data. Or if it still doesn't work, you can close this browser and try another or different browser. And don't forget to enable the offline mode. So open the Google Drive, click on settings. So let's open the drive first and then tap on settings in here. Then you can just enable the offline mode. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.